Hey, what's going on? If you're new to my video, make sure you like, share and subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to show you right now the top selling product on the Alibaba, the KAFUWELL. You can see PA4500-72H Cordless Tools Combo Kit, the hammer drill, the power tool set. Right now people are buying the most. If you check out properly, number one most popular in hammer drill, and they have 5-star rating. You can see two reviews, 149 product already sold. If you check out, they already share every single features in the left side photos. You can check out, but as you know, real customer will open your eye. And if you need 5% off discount, check out my YouTube video description link. You can see two reviews. If you click these two reviews, you can easily learn about their product, that they are giving people good product or not. You can see this person's give good, and if you check out store reviews, you will see good, this person said good, this person also said good. Like this way, if you check out page 2, good quality, great, good quality, you can see this person's also share a video. If you want, you can also check out this video using the tools. You can see, and you can see 100% recommended. So like this way, page 3, if you check out, really powerful drill, you can see people are giving thumbs up. So most of the people are liking their product. You can also check out their others recommended product if you want, and you can buy with right now minimum order. You can see, and price is right now low. You can check out different colors they have available from the right side, and based on my opinion, right now they are the number one most popular in hammer drill. So this brand is doing well. They already share a demo video. Let me show you the powerful video. You can see, you can easily buy from them with confidence if you want. And right now most of the people are saying the tool is powerful. You can see, you can do all in one using their tools. So based on my opinion, if you want, you can check out their tools, because I always share the good people, good reviews, the real customer rating, and this product will be great for you and it will give you long time service. Check out my YouTube video description for the latest discount price. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, check out their others products. See you in another new video.